Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a pleasure having you here. So far, so good this week. The market has been a bit crazy, right? We've been having some serious ups and down movement, but at the same time, price tends to leave some footprints in the sand for us to be able to follow through. So today we are going to be talking about gold again, XAU USD. But this time around, we're going to be talking about it based on the hourly time frame, the intraday play. We're going to be looking for opportunities today. The first thing I want, first of all, the first thing I want to let you guys know, right? Today is the day before the non-farm payroll. So that is Thursday. And as today is Thursday, June the 6th, we have high impact news for the dollar by 1:30 p.m. The unemployment claims, just for us to be aware of, right? Please make sure you pay attention to this news. It's very key, very, very important. High impact news. And this is just before tomorrow's non-farm payroll. So looking at the gold XAUUSD from the hourly time frame, or rather, let's say from the 30 minutes time frame. So you could either look at it from 30 minutes or hourly time frame. But 30 minutes, as we're looking at now, just has a bit of clarity for me. And that's why I'm looking at it from here, right? So this is what I am expecting. First of all, this is the latest wave that I am looking out for. I can say this wave is to the upside. As is to the upside, we should be looking forward to buying opportunities, especially if you are a trend trader. You are a trend trader looking forward to buying opportunities. That means that you're looking forward to the price pulling back to this area of interest here. As you can see to the left-hand side, we have some resistance areas here, and then price broke out and then still lingered around that area before pushing much higher on this big candle. Excuse me. Right now, if you look closely as well, it seems that we might be having an area over here. We call this an area of resistance. That is if the price should get there. Also, we already have some form of divergence in the market. You could probably have a look at your RSI or MACD. They might probably give you the divergence. But this is what I'm looking out for, first of all. First of all, the ball is in the court of the counter trend traders. The ball is in the court of the counter trend traders, meaning that those are looking forward to selling, right? So I'm going to give you my thought process on areas to sell and areas to buy, and you can pay attention to the price in order to take advantage, because that's what we are supposed to be doing as traders, taking advantage. Okay, now first things first, this here is the top over here. So price could either pull back to this area here and act as double top and then drop down. So here is an area for sellers to jump in. This is an area of resistance. So if you are a counter trend trader, here is the place for you. And then if you are a trend trader, here is the place for you where you're looking for the price to pull back, and then you look for entries to buy to take it back up to these highs over here. So this is the first two sets of plays I have over here. Let me clean them up and say that again. Price could either get back to this area here and act as resistance for the counter trend traders to jump in and then sell, take it back down to this area of support, as you can see, which acted as resistance in the past and then acted as support over here, right? So we have two plays here, one for the sellers and then one for the buyers. Now, another two sets of plays here is that price could break out of this area here. It could break out, push higher, give us like divergence here, or give us a sort of wedge pattern, and then sellers could jump in somewhere here and then work on taking it back down. This would now turn into an area of support. Yeah, it'll turn into an area of support where you'll be expecting buyers to jump in. But I wouldn't like this much because of the reward that you will get in this instance. So I would like the sellers to jump in here. That is assuming here breaks, this resistance doesn't hold and it breaks to the upside. I would like the seller to jump in much higher at the point where you probably have like divergence, strong divergence using the RSI or MACD. You have maybe like a weird triangle flag pattern pushing higher as well. And when you get in here on the counter trend move, I wouldn't be here looking for buy, but rather I'll look here looking for buy, meaning that I would like the price to fall back lower. So basically 2353 area is a key area of interest for the buyers. And I'm pretty much sure that we have buyers putting in pending orders now as we speak, right? So don't forget, this is gold and the intraday play, looking for opportunities for buying and also for selling. So depending on whether you are a counter trend trader or whether you are a trend trader, now you know the area for you to jump in, right? And at the same time, you could even be a counter trend and a trend trader. It's up to you. But you must know the type of trader that you are. That's it. So now we've talked about the areas for possible sell and then the areas for possible buy. Let's pay attention to this and I will do another update. Don't forget, this has been gold from the intraday point of view, looking for opportunities in the market today before tomorrow's non-farm payroll, high impact news coming out for the USD. Okay, so with that said, I'll say thank you. If this video was helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up. And of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you are new. And we'll give you more and more on different instruments. We'll also be talking about the Euro USD, GBP USD. Tomorrow's video is going to be around the non-farm payroll. It could be the non-farm payroll with respect to the USD, or we could pick a currency pair, the non-farm payroll with respect to the Euro USD, or maybe even the GBP USD, or whatever the case might be. And that will be a video for you tomorrow. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss tomorrow's video because tomorrow's news is going to be high impact. And with the kind of volatility that we've seen right from Monday, you don't want to miss tomorrow's video. Okay, guys, thank you. Trade safe. Goodbye for now. Cheers.